This is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief of Lawyers.com, and today we're at the American Association for Justice Conference in Chicago, and we caught up with Mike Lynch to talk about the Nexium proton pump inhibitor litigation. Mike, can you tell us what exactly is Nexium and what does a proton pump inhibitor do?
Proton pump inhibitors are drugs widely prescribed for consumers to treat an overproduction of acid in their stomach, kind of generically known as heartburn. Specifically, there's a condition known as GERD, which is gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is specifically indicated for proton pump inhibitors.
What are the conditions that are associated with the Nexium proton pump inhibitor?
Well, the problem with these PPI drugs is that long-term use of these products have been shown to cause fractures. Now, what that really means is that their bones are breaking due to the problems that are associated with an inability to absorb calcium after long-term use. Some folks, unfortunately, take either Prilosec or Nexium every single day of their life, and that's really one of the big issues, is that chronic usage was never intended for these products. And when people began to take them in a manner in which is not appropriate, we began to see these problems.
How common a drug is this? I mean, how many people are affected by this?
They're really one of the most popular cases of drugs or types of drugs in the world. Prilosec and Nexium have accounted for billions of dollars of profits for pharmaceutical companies.
Now, based on everything you've told me, has the government come forward and said anything or done anything about this?
In May 2010, the FDA issued a warning that chronic usage of these types of proton pump inhibitors, such as Nexium or Prilosec, cause these fractures. Now, they had an additional warning that was on the label. What the FDA didn't do, however, is what a lot of lawyers, and myself included, believe really should have been done, which was issue what's known as a black box warning. And I'll explain to you what that is. So a black box warning is the strongest warning that a drug can have.
What should consumers do if they've been taking these proton pump inhibitors? What's the next step?
What you should do is reach out to an attorney that's experienced with pharmaceutical plaintiffs litigation. Ask that they do it on a contingency basis. That means no upfront money and that the client owes nothing to the attorney if the case is not successful. That's really the way to go.
Thank you. In Chicago, this is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief for the Lawyers.com channel.